As expected, the Lenovo Z5 is official, and no, it does not have 4 terabytes of storage or 45 days of standby time. So, what does it have, you ask? No prizes for guessing. Welcome to 2018. It have a notch. But is it a notch above the competition? Well, bad puns aside, this is all you need to know about the Lenovo's overhyped Z5. So, hey there, I am Animesh, you're watching Everything Techie, and this is Lenovo Z5. Let's get started.
Under your spotlight.
Starting off with the display, it is of 6.2 inches with an aspect ratio of 18.7:9 and a resolution of Full HD plus and a notch as I stated earlier, which is smaller than the competition. The competition being more expensive and better Mi 8 and iPhone 10, which already have big notch. So moving on, the body is made up of 2.5D curved Gorilla Glass on both sides connected by a metal frame. The rear houses a dual camera setup of 16 plus 8 megapixel, which is HDR plus capable and can record up to 4K at 30 frames per second. An 8 megapixel camera is up front to carry out selfie duties. As usual, UI capabilities are built in out of the box. It runs on ZUI 4 based on the latest Android 8.1 with a promise to an update to Android P. Under the hood, you get a Snapdragon 636 coupled with 6 gigs of RAM and either 64 or 128 gigabytes of onboard storage. And there is also the presence of fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth 5.0, and thankfully a 3.5mm headphone jack. All of this is powered by a 3300 mAh battery which can be charged by the Type-C port. Now getting to the price, it is priced at 1399 Chinese yuan, that's about 14,700 Indian rupees or $220 for the 64GB variant, and for the 128GB variant you'll have to pay 1799 Chinese yuan, about that is 19,000 Indian rupees or 280 US dollars. So at this price it is a great value. Not the best but still competent. That's just me though. Do you feel the same about the Z5? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Hit the subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and have a nice day.